Okay, guys, so this is my my kids' game room. It is a hot mess over the past few days. My husband and I have been working on a few mini renovations in our living room. So the kids have kind of just been left to their own devices. And this is the aftermath. That's AC. Yeah, I am extremely tired and I'm feeling really lightheaded right now. But I'm gonna give myself 10 minutes to see how much of this disaster I can get picked up. It's mainly just toys, but I also see a lot of little bits of trash and debris and debris. How do you say that? And stuff that I'm sure the dog has found and chewed up. Yeah. Let's get started. So I gave myself 10 minutes starting off. This room was a complete disaster. I didn't even know where to start, so I knew my kids didn't know where to start, so I kind of just wanted to help them out with this part of the house, just because we were so busy the past few days and they were kind of just left to fend for themselves as far as entertainment goes, and they definitely did that. But as you can see, there's so many toys on the floor. I did not organize any of this in any type of way. Each toy has a particular bin that it does go in, so I did try to keep each toy to that, but it's definitely time to declutter and reorganize. Maybe I'll save that for another video. I didn't clean up under anything. I still saw so many bits and pieces of toys and Legos and all kinds of stuff under the couches, in the corners, in the crevices, but I just wanted to get this room back to a state where it looks somewhat clear. It's definitely not clean by any means, and that wasn't the goal. But this first 10 minutes went by really quickly, actually. I wasn't moving as fast as I wanted to. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I really just wasn't feeling that well. So I wasn't moving as fast as I wanted to move, but that's okay. The objective of this exercise was to just get started. So 10 minutes definitely helped me get started. As you can see, the timer is going down really quickly, but I still have plenty to do in here. I did end up giving myself an extra, I want to say it was an extra 5 minutes just to finish, but all in all, I would say it took me about a good 20 minutes to get this room back to where I needed it to be. But setting the timer definitely helped to get me motivated, because it made me see that the mess wasn't going to take forever to get rid of. And that's that timer. I did go and start another one, as you can see. And again, I gave myself 5 minutes. I really, after doing this exercise, it really just showed me, if I spend 15 to 20 minutes every day just tidying something, I think I'll put myself in a really good position to have a decently clean, not really clean, a decently tidy home. I did make a checklist after I made this video to kind of help me stay on track. But yeah, I made just a basic checklist, and spending 15 to 20 minutes tidying every day is part of that checklist, just to keep my sanity where it needs to be. My thinking is that if I start with the messiest rooms in the house, so if I spend 15 to 20 minutes a day cleaning the messiest room, then the next day that room won't be such a problem, and my kids will then be in control of keeping that room tidy, and I know that life happens. It's not always gonna stay that way, but I'm hoping like this checklist will help me to set the standard, and then like help my kids and then my kids will help me to keep it up, if that makes sense. But yeah, this entire process took longer than I thought it would, but it didn't take too much longer. So I thought it was only going to take me 10 minutes. It did take me 20, but I'm not mad at that. And I feel like it looks a lot better than it did before. We can do a before and after, but honestly, I'm just really glad to have it picked up. I hope this video helped someone who just needed to see the power of setting a 10-minute timer and just getting started. You might not get everything done in 10 minutes. It might take you a little bit longer, but maybe it'll motivate you to keep going. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.